Here's the typhoon now. It's now in our place here in Santiago. It's getting stronger. It's 5 o'clock, past 5. The afternoon. There is my papaya. I hope it will not be broken. It will be stronger after 8 o'clock, maybe this evening. Praying that it will not be so strong. Here's my neighbor's house. This is our yard. There's my papaya, my plants, my bougainvillea. Hopefully it will not be strong. They said it will be stronger by 8 o'clock. There is my door bump already. I'm here at the second floor of my house, watching what's going on here outside. Hopefully it will not be very, very strong. Oh my God. This is me in my room. Trying to get this video. There is my neighbor's house. And it's raining. Hopefully it's not raining very strong tonight. Papa broken. Oh my God. I don't want my papaya to be broken down. So scary. I will get more video tonight or tomorrow. Hopefully everything will be okay. There is my neighbor's place. The wind comes down and after a few minutes it comes back again. It's not always like the same. So we will eat dinner early. So my son-in-law is preparing our dinner now. So I'm going downstairs to eat now. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. We are here in Isabela.